electric bike. Let me ride that joint. Yeah, I'm better.
Yo, little man, wake up, bro. You talking in your sleep, dude. Wake up. Yo, sleep talking, bro.
Dad, I'm wanting a 3-wheel electric bike.
Huh? That's what you was dreaming about?
Yeah.
Go to Mokwheel.com. I think they're nice, too.
Oh, they do make it. $1,800.
That's it?
45 to 55 mile range.
On a 3? That's what? That's crazy.
500 watt motor.
Let me see this. Order it.
Alright.
Let's go. Let's go get dressed. Do store pickup. Next day air. Let's go.
Yo, talk about super fast shipping.
Let's get it open. Let's get some tools, see what we need. Let's get this built. I can't wait to see it. How about you? Yo! Chill. What was that? Where'd you get? Whoa. Yeah, you think you're funny? Don't open that. Cuz, chill. That's not to be opened.
Bro, oh my god.
Saving that, man. Trying to open my drink. Think yous are funny, huh?
Camouflage.
Camel print you ordered?
How are we even gonna get that out of the box?
I don't know. This is big. This ain't like usually got like a rectangular thin box. Packaged very well. All right. No need to bore you guys with all this. So let us get this bike out the box. Start putting it together, right, little man? And yo, supermotos. Yo, check those pups out. All right, let's get to it. I don't think the installation's gonna be bad, actually. What do you think?
Shouldn't be too bad. I mean,
this folds up. I didn't know this was a folding bike too. Yeah, so everything's pretty much together. Look, back wheels are all on brakes, so pretty much probably just the front wheel and fold it up. All right, that's sweet. I thought we were gonna be here a while. Let's go. Now we'll be back, guys.
This is pretty cool. It looks like it's a good camouflage. I can't wait to see if it wheelies. Got supermotors on there.
You
though.
think it's a wheelie?
I think it could be able to wheelie.
Yeah, because you know what? A lot of 3-wheel bikes, they chain only moves one wheel. This is in the middle. I think this is going to drive both wheels. If that's the case, you'll be able to wheelie this probably easy. I can't wait to see. All right. Lock on grips, leather, zoom brakes. Shoot.
Hold it.
All right, let's see. Let's see how he. That's nice.
Easy.
Look. Yeah, it's got a locking mechanism.
That looked easy.
Yeah, I like this so far. It's nice. So that's it. Put the front wheel on, mount the gauge, and you're pretty much done. Tighten the handlebars.
Alright, YouTube, here we got the Mokwheel. We got shocks, zoom brakes, suspension in the seat, and a comfortable seat, a huge basket, looks like street wheels, throttle, pedal assist, 2 wheels in the back, 1 wheel in the front. These grips are kind of cool. I don't know. I like it. So you go right into a speed test, see if it really does 20.
Let's go. How fast you at right now?
20?
20? That was quick, you got up to 20. All right, watch the car. Be careful steering. That's 3 wheels. It's different now. Ha. Yo, you can put the dog in that basket, little man. Put a piece of wood at the bottom. And he did a hill climb. All right, slow down. I got to catch up. How was the hill climb?
It didn't do bad.
How fast did it say you were going up the hill?
17.
17? That's not bad at all. Look at the size of the frame. It's very, very beefy. Class 2, 500 watt. Look in the back. See, I like the flat tube. All right, caps on everything. Seat comfortable?
Yeah.
You gotta make sure you're talking a little loud because the microphone's all the way back here on the camera. It's got suspension in it, don't it? See the motor, the gears. Alright, let's see how it handles around this curb up here. Yeah, it's tricky. It feels weird, don't it? I wonder if it's like a motorcycle where you got to counter steer. Because like if you turn too much, I imagine it'll like 3-wheel motion. Let me see. Oh yeah, look. Oh, yo, 3-wheel motion. Okay. Can he hold it? Yo. Uh-oh, I know what he's about to try to do. He's about to try it. He's about to try a wheelie. Oh, that thing's heavy. I would think it would come up because all the weight's in the back, but that battery's probably so heavy up there in the frame. Maybe you can stand in the rack and get it up. Yeah, 3-wheel motion. Beep, 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 beep. Here we come, kids. Looks like you're having a lot of fun. Whoa, watch his turn. This is about to be shaky. Oh, and it handles it no problem. Alright. Downhill he goes. Yo, jam the brakes. Let's see how good they stop. Oh, dual brakes too. Both back wheels have disc brake.
YouTube, drop a comment if you think I could combo on this bike.
Combo on this? No way.
Enough to light.
You were standing on the bar. What are you going to do? Combos in the basket? YouTube, you heard him. Drop a comment. Oh my God, say that 3 times fast. Drop a comment if you think he can combo on the trike. Little man, hold on. You sure about this, dude? No way! He does it! What? Yo, that's crazy! Yo! You gotta treat it like a 4-wheeler probably and put all your weight to one side to steer it. Like move your body over. Let me, yo, I gotta try it. Switch with me. Let me try this. Yo, all right, I'm over 18. Safety first. Don't do what I'm doing. You should be wearing a helmet. I got work tomorrow. Hopefully I'll make it, but I'm going to attempt to wheelie the trike. Lil man, you think I got it?
Stand on the bar.
Let me try sitting down first. Come on. I was chasing it. Let me see if I can use the throttle.
watch the wheels, Dante. We'll stand in the back.
What is that?
That's a Mokwheel Trike.
Mokwheel Trike.
Electric.
Got a set on Dante? You like that, John?
Come on, Rye. You about to go crazy on it?
I gotta see wheeling that.
Yup. Most of them, they don't.
Most of them won't.
Dude, that's the best part about it.
These are gonna flip.
Rye's over 18. He should be good without a helmet, but safety first. Always wear your helmet. We're about to see if Rye can get busy on the Mokwheel. Straight up. Yo. Oh, Rye got the turns. Yo. All right, Rye's first time riding it. This is going to be a walk in the park for him. Yo. Yo. To the seat. Rye is getting busy. Turn the trike into a trick bike. Yo, that's crazy. What? And he lands it. Ow. Yo, what do you think about that bike?
It's not bad at all.
Would you ride it every day?
Yeah.
Yo, it's probably a fun bike. Besides, like, the turns can be a little shaky depending
The bars, yeah.
how you turn, yeah.
But
I wonder if you could swap them bars out for like a different, like a BMX style bar or something.
we changed the force drive.
That's a grocery store, dude. Go pick up your mom's groceries. What? All right, there you guys have it. The Mokwheel bike does wheelies and tricks, but I got the best idea for this bike. Yo, best idea yet. Let's go tell Mommy you got her a new bike. Tell her you got her the coolest bike. Say, Mom, you know, since you're getting a little older, we got you a cool electric bike.
Mom, since you're getting a little older, we got you a cool electric bike. Yeah, 'cause you're getting older. We got you a new cool electric bike.
Oh, okay.
Let's see.
Where is it?
Outside.
Come check it out. Hurry up. Let me get out in front of you. Hold on, little man. You love it?
That? How old do you think I am?
Take it for a ride. Try your new bike out.
Riding that?
Yeah, it's for older people. You're getting
No,
older, he
I'm
said.
not that old.
Try it. Test
I'm
it.
not riding that.
All right, just test. Take it for a test ride.
No.
One time. One time. One time for the YouTube.
Come on, Valentino. Can you fit in it?
You're going to have to put some wood in there. Yeah, you can cruise around with your dog. See? Look, you hold the button in to turn it on.
Come here, buddy. Come here, babe.
Look, it looks like you like it already.
No, I don't like it. This is very
Wait, Valentino's going to the back?
Yeah, where's Valentino?
Oh, he's in there.
Look, you got your speeds.
He's hiding under.
Just be careful on the turn.
Valentino.
Go. You don't need the dog.
I'm gonna put a thing in there.
That's all right. He don't want to go for a
Come on,
ride.
babe.
He said he's young still.
Lex, get your dog.
Put him in the back of the movie,
Come on.
thing. Oh, I can pick him up. Oh, nice.
All right.
Abby. Oh, nice.
Bike is a hit.
20 miles an hour. Hey, cruise your dogs around. Go for a nice joyride. Why not?
Let's run Daddy over.
Yo. All right, don't crash. Look at this. True family bike. Trick bike. It can be anything you want. What you think about it?
That's cool. Which one, the blue one?
All right, little man. Everybody loves your bike. I think it was a hit. Copper drop, $1,800. Would you buy it for your?
I'd
Say
pop it just to have fun and for like a guess.
What do you think, Rye? Copper drop.
I'd get it for the street.
Mike, you buying one?
Might have to.
All right, we're out of here. Little man, tell him see you later.
We out.